Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs tour. Today we are checking out the brand new 2025 No Boundaries 18.7 bunkhouse travel trailer. This thing comes in a little under 22 feet long and a little under 4,300 pounds dry. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of walk you through the inside and outside of this RV, and we're going to show you what this one is really all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2025 Nobo 18.7 small, lightweight bunkhouse family trailer here. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, front bedroom for the parents, little bunk area in the back for the kids. We're going to start up here in the front, and then we will kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, right over here, you are going to have a 32-inch 12-volt powered TV on a swing arm, so you can maneuver that around. Shameless plug, we got the All About RVs YouTube channel up here, currently sitting at about 64,400 some odd subscribers. If you're interested in keeping up with more videos, please remember to subscribe. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button, help out the channel, much appreciated. So right here, you're going to have a 60 by 80 queen bed, kind of going the east to west direction here. You have a window at your headboard up there that does open, has has a roller shade there. You have the windshield in the front that also has a roller shade on it as well. Just down below, you are going to have USB charger port and electric outlet down here. You do have a little bit of storage underneath the bed area here. Over on the side, you would have this particular one ordered with the Beast Mode package. So you have an inverter control down there. You are going to have a drawer up here, hanging closet. You also have a decent amount of overhead cabinet space as well. Now back in behind, right back here, you have kind of a little cubby area, but there's another electric outlet and a USB charger back here as well. So a decent little adult bed area right there for sure. Now you're going to have your main entry exit door right here. It does have the screen door built on. It also has the window built in. It is the black safety glass entry exit door. You'll see it a little better when we get out there. But the window is Lippert thin shade ready, so there is an aftermarket shade that the door maker does, so you could get that as well. Now over here, you're going to have a little bit of a seating area here. So you got the two freestanding little scoop chairs there. You also have some storage underneath of that area as well. On the side right here, you're going to have a bottle opener and a couple little hook holders there as well. Sit here, maybe do a little work. Look out the nice window here. This window does have a screen that pulls up. You also have a nightshade that pulls down. But you can see that window is flipped up. I got it opened right now. So I have a huge amount of airflow possible here. If you're a boondock camper and you don't have actual electric, you're just running off battery power, that would be a very nice feature to have to really let some airflow through here with these windows. Over here, you're going to have your kitchen area. So on the side, you have a little flip-up countertop extension. You have a 2-burner gas stove top right there with the flip-up glass lid that kind of acts as a little bit of a backsplash, but it is a propane stove top. You are going to have 4 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers here and some storage underneath of your sink area. So pretty decent amount for a smaller camper like this. They have that really cool utility style sink here. You got the cup washer, you got your sprayer handle here, you got the little waterfall thing to rinse off your veggies, soap dispenser. So really nice sink area here that you're finding in a lot of RVs nowadays. The window behind the sink there does open. You got your hood range light and fan. You're going to also have the convection microwave by Furrion. So you can cook or microwave either one, and you have some more overhead cabinet space. Now back here, you're going to have the little bunk area. So there is some storage area down below. So if you wanted to stash, maybe get some of those little plastic tubs or something, stash them down there. And then they also did this little swivel table here. So there's a little tension arm down here. You loosen that up and then you can swing this around. So it kind of gives the lower bunk a place to maybe sit at the mattress and actually use that as like a little dining table or something. But this top bunk actually raises up. It's on a shock assist. So it gives you more headroom here if you need. You have USB charger port for both bunk areas. Both windows at these bunks do also open. And there is a ladder that would mount on here as well. So you could get up and down on and off that top bunk a little easier. Now back over this direction, you are going to have your 12 volt Furrion refrigerator. Freezer on top, fridge on bottom. Below the refrigerator is a propane detector. It also has the electric box with the breakers and fuses, and you have the central vac with the dustpan vac feature as well. Hoses also included. You have your propane furnace right here, and then a pretty good size pantry area as well. Digital thermostat right there that controls the propane furnace along with the Furrion AC that's on the RV as well. Door does lock. So if you're in there using the restroom, you can lock the door. That's kind of nice. Now, just kind of starting down here at the bottom, you can see you have foot flush toilet. You're going to have some storage underneath your sink area and beside your sink area. A little bit of counter space in here. And you have a nice medicine cabinet built in. Turbo exhaust fan up top as well. Over on this side, you are going to have your step-in shower with the pull-across curtain, ABS tub surround. You do have the skylight up above as well. And then over here, you're going to also have the solar charge controller, light switch. You have your 12 volt heated holding tanks here, along with the water pump, the water heater on gas button, the electric buttons outside, and you have your monitor panel for your holding tanks. So overall, a cool new addition to the Nobo family here with this new model. Now we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside. We're going to look underneath, up above, and really kind of check everything out. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 No Boundaries 18.7 travel trailer here. We're going to start here on the door side and we will work our way around for you. So first things up, you have a tan and green fiberglass exterior with some vinyl graphics, lower black metal skirting. The fiberglass is attached to the upgraded Asdale composite material instead of the cheap wood Luan backer, so I like that part of the construction for sure. It's an aluminum studded foam block insulated wall. You have a power awning with an LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, and a manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. You do have a decent size pass-through storage area down here. You have motion light in here. You can see some of that aluminum tube framing there. And also the griddle, it's an 18-inch griddle that comes with the RV, and it will mount back there with the little table that I've got set up back there as well. You have a deep tint safety glass entry-exit door with the window built in that is Lippert thin shade ready. It has the large folding handle there, and you have the heavy-duty MoreRide entry-exit step here to help you get in and out of the RV. It's rated for 500 pounds, comes down, touches the ground, has adjustable feet, and it doesn't rock and roll the RV as bad when you're running in and out, like those hover steps. This one was ordered with the Beast Mode package on it, which puts these Westlake off-road kind of mud tires. You have aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. You do have a tire pressure monitoring system on here as well. Very nice safety feature. And you also have, again, the beast mode suspension. When you order that option, you can see that underneath of there. Very nice. Moving along here, this is where you would put your griddle. So I got the little table out so you could kind of see that. But the griddle would go right here. You're going to have a cold water spray port right here. And then just down below right here is your gas line hookup. Also, you can see your rear stabilizer jack right there. But you would plug in your griddle right there and do you some cooking. Now, real quick, let's pop open the windows just so you can kind of see that from outside. All right, so with the window up, it kind of acts as a little bit of an awning without the awning actually being out. You can see it does have a shock assist on it there. I also kind of put the screen up a little bit here so you could kind of see that. So you could do the screen or the nightshade, whichever you prefer, to get you some privacy there. But that's a pretty cool little feature, just having that window being able to open up that much. Now these other two windows right here also open, not like that big one, but they do open, giving you more airflow through here as well. You do have that porch light right there, which also, if you flip the switch the other direction, turns amber. So you could use it either color. You are going to have prepping for a portable solar panel back here on this corner. So you could boost the solar panel that's already on it. You also have an electric outlet right down there below the awning arm. On around to the back side here, you can see spare tire mounted back here as well. It's a traditional steel wheel instead of the fancier aluminum wheel as a spare. You have a 4-inch square tube bumper. You have your gas electric water heater located right back here. You also have your black tank flush to clean out the toilet right back here as well. Now in the top center up there, it is prepped for the Furrion rear observation camera. Very nice camera that would allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. Very nice. Again, check that out. Talk with your sales guy. On the right corner there, you have prepping for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. It's a nice telescoping ladder that you just slide up, hook it on, get up and down, walk around on your roof, inspect your seams and your seals and stuff like that. Make sure your maintenance is done. Drop it back down, throw it in a compartment, and not have to really worry about somebody's kid climbing up and falling off and getting hurt because of those permanent ladders. You don't really block those off very well. That could happen. Speaking of the roof, let's hop up here real quick and check out what the roof of this Nobo 18.7 actually looks like. All right, I wanted to hop up here real quick, guys, and just kind of show you what the roof of the NoBoundaries 18.7 might look like, kind of depending on how you order it. But just kind of starting up front here, this one has the Winegard Air 360 TV antenna right there. This was ordered with the Beast Mode package, so it has 2 solar panels on the roof. One standard, second one is part of the Beast Mode package upgrade. You have the Furrion air conditioner right there. You have a couple plumbing stack vents. You have your roof vent and your skylight back here. Now, really the whole point of kind of getting up here, guys, was to basically show you there's a lot of stuff up here. You have to get up here from time to time, maintain your seams and your seals. It's extremely important. Doesn't matter if it's a fiberglass roof, a PVC roof, a TPO, or whatever. They're all going to have holes in them like this that you have to get up and maintain. So that's extremely important to make sure you do. All right, let's head back down. All right, back down here on the ground again. Guys, just do your maintenance, extremely important. So over here on this side, let's look down here below. You can see your rear stabilizer jack, hot and cold low point water drains right here, along with your gray and black tank dump. So everything kind of comes out of one area right here. It's kind of nice. You're gonna have your detachable 30 amp electric cord that probably stretches out, I'd say, somewhere close to 30 feet long. You are going to have cable and satellite inlet just above that, and then you have your furnace exhausting out right here as well. You have your stove exhaust vent right there. There's a little flapper in there, so you do have to open that up if you're in there cooking so that the smoke and stuff comes out properly. Now right here you can see you have your city water inlet. You also have your gravity fill fresh water tank here as well. And then just down below underneath there, again, you can see that enclosed underbelly and the freshwater tank drain. Now this one panel section right here, some people will pop that loose to get in there to inspect things sometimes, or you could do it from underneath the bed. So kind of your choice, probably a little easier on this particular model to do it from under the bed, but some of the Nobos have a removable panel right there to do that with. You are gonna have some very important informational stuff right here. So for example, this tells me this RV was built 1/30 of 25, again, model 18.7. We have a gross weight, this is the most you're allowed to load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, don't exceed this number, 5,475 pounds. So 5,475 pounds max weight. The RV, when it rolled off the assembly line with these options and upgrades, was 4,264 pounds. Had an exterior length of 21 feet 8 inches, tire size ST 235/75R 15D range tire, with a 65 PSI cold. Extremely important, guys, keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. And again, they did that tire pressure monitoring system to help you out and just keep up with it. Up here, you are gonna have the front side with a roughly 3/4 fiberglass front shell, LED light across the top up there, windshield in the front. You are gonna also have a lower diamond plate metal down here. You have two 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator, power tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. You have a battery disconnect here. The little yellow box there is the tire pressure monitor repeater. And then you have room here for 1 or 2 batteries, depending on the size of the battery. Now, it comes with 0 batteries from the RV maker. However, if you do purchase from Couch's RV Nation, it comes with at least 1 battery. If you want a second one, talk with your salesperson about maybe doing that as well, or put it on yourself, whatever you prefer. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. As always, you are greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button, help out the channel. And if you haven't done so already, guys, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money and should be able to even deliver it to your home, or you can pick it up at their dealership, whatever you prefer. Thanks again.